Hello, my name is Brenda Tyler, and this evening I'm going to give you a real quick review of the graphic design platform, Canva. I've chosen it because it's one that I have used as a graphic design tool several times and have found it really very user friendly. And I want to recommend it to trails professionals who may be in training because these this is a resource you might be able to use when you're developing training material or planning presentations of some kind. First of all, you go to canva.com and set up an account. The account's totally free, and uh, you'll be able to go to work very quickly. Once you get that account and get logged in, you'll go to the toolbar on the left-hand side and tell Canva that you want to create. Once you do that, Canva is going to ask you what kind of um, design you want to work on. Uh, you can choose presentation. That's really pretty easy to prepare, and it's what we'll work on today. The next thing you'll see after you select presentation or video, Canva will ask you if you want to use a template or if you want to go freehand. I recommend using a template and have chosen one, as you can see, featuring trails designs. I have added this picture, and I can tell you very quickly how to get those, but you will have the option of going to the upload section. And if you have done your photographs or other graphics ahead of time, they will be within your Canva shell. Or if it's outside the shell, you can upload it from this selection. You can see that it's easy to add photographs that you can find free of use. They're called Open Education Resource, and you don't have to pay the originator of these graphics because they are available openly for anyone to use. You see this photo is a depiction of a waterway, which is one of the kinds of trails that you all work with. Another selection that you work with is the biking trails. There are almost more kinds of trails than we can even mention in this work. But in order to make them available to your audience, you will have them saved in a file. And from Canva, you can go to that file and upload those to your template. I really enjoyed finding this graphic because it gives an idea, and I really don't know what the date of this is, if this is an up-to-date map of trails in Arkansas, but you can see that even if it's dated, Arkansas really is the home of many different kinds of trails. And since the pandemic in 2020, hiking has become quite a popular family activity, and Arkansas is the perfect place for it. Once you have installed the slides that you want to use for the particular information you're presenting, you'll be able to save those to your Canva file and go back to them anytime. Additionally, you can post those to YouTube or other video display platforms, social media such as Instagram, any of those that you're familiar with. You may be doing information on tips for safety on trails. You might be working on environmental responsibility, or you may be doing a more technical training so that you could put images or graphics from actual trail maps showing topography and other important information for trail planning and management. Thank you for your attention, and happy trails to you.